Getting rock in the pond. We got some chutes, chute style bags. So you can see that we got a chute style up top, a chute style on bottom. So these bags will actually be able to be reused. So watch. Yep. So there we go. And Jeff's gonna be able to take that with the machine and just kind of spread that around. Jeff's gonna drive it back, and we're just gonna put gravel behind all of this, and it'll look just like that by the time we're done. Let me tell you, this saves a lot in labor costs and just, team morale in general. Picking up a bag with a nice big machine that can handle it is a lot better than coming over with scoops and then using a whole bunch of labor and back-breaking labor to try and move it around in the middle and behind stuff and using buckets and wheelbarrows. And this is 21st century. We got machines. As long as you grab the right tool for the job, you can get anything done without breaking a sweat. So there's our fish cave right there in the center there. We got a rock behind it, and what we actually did is we actually created what's called a sandbag. And we got sand on both sides. We got underlayment encapsulating that sand, and we've got more footage of that in there. But what we're doing now is we're putting gravel in to hold everything down and to naturalize everything the way that it is, and that is what's going to enclose that fish cave right there.
Giddy up, cowboy! Let's go! Woo! I love my job. And stop. I would like you to boom down. Keep going. Hold it. Bring out a little bit. Down. Set it.
Hey guys, what's going on? I know I haven't talked to you guys in the past couple days. We're actually on day 5 now. We just got here this morning and we're about to fire everything up. But let me show you what we've done for day 3 and day 4. Remember, we had a rain out day the second day we were here, so we actually made that up yesterday on Sunday, being day number 4 for us. But let me show you guys what we've gotten done the past couple days. Day 3, we got this entire thing. Everybody's getting everything cleaned up. Say hey, Carl. Steve Roth right there, and obviously you guys all know Jeff Michaels. But on day 3 we got the bottom stack here, so we got the entire inner of the pond. So this is actual or at depth right here. We got all of this done. We got our fish caves placed that are right here and over there. Got all of our rocks set up, and then on day 4 we went ahead and started working our way up with these humongous boulders we got over here. That boulder, and that boulder right back there. We actually had to take our Cat 308 and our second Cat 308 and put its bucket on the blade right there, so that way this Cat 308 didn't tip over and send that boulder flying into the pond. So we got a lot done. That's why I haven't been able to give you guys an update yet. It's because we've been rocking and rolling so hard trying to get this thing done. We basically got 5 days worth of work crammed into only 4 this past week. So we're actually a little bit ahead of schedule and doing great, doing awesome. We're gonna finish this up right here. And on day 5, we're gonna get our seam done. We're actually gonna seam another 10-foot piece of liner there to finish off that side. We're gonna start planning out our intake bays. Our 2 wetlands are gonna go over here on our sides. Intake bay is gonna go right here in the center. And then we're also gonna start planning where that cat is, where we're gonna wanna bring our waterfall in right here. So that is what we've got planned, but that's what we got going on today, and I'll be sure to get you guys some more updates. See ya. All right, special update on the day. You see this tree right here behind me? Well, that is a nice black locust tree. That is a nice hardwood and is very rot resistant. And this tree right here has actually been selected to become the weir of our skimming intake. So we're actually gonna cut this bad boy down, use the section that we need out of it to actually create our skimming effect into our skimming intake. And then we will probably chop up the rest of it for the client, and he can use that as firewood. And we're also gonna try and get the stump out. You guys hear Carl in the background. He's actually trying to get the Cat 308 out here. So that way we can go ahead and cut the stump, or get the stump out and use the stump in the waterfall. So yeah, that bad boy is gonna be coming down and be used in our water feature. Here we go, cutting down trees, cutting down that black locust. And here it goes. Timber! Look at that stump we just dug out. Chris Ostrander, eat your heart out, bro, because I don't think you're gonna top this. So guys, we've got our super sack, and we got a chute underneath of it. And what Carl's gonna do, now that we got this all strapped up and he's in that machine, so he's just gonna pick that up, just like he's doing. And we are spreading that rock. Just like that. Now, not only is that going to be easier on us and our backs, but it's gonna take a lot less time spreading this out like we do in the center of the pond right there. This is how we did all of that right there. We just went ahead and took the bag like Carl's going right now, and just kind of took it, used the machine, and let the machine do the work instead of 50 guys with shovels and rakes who might potentially put a hole in your liner. This is a much safer way all around, and also from a cost standpoint, a lot less time and man hours going into doing it this way. Biggest cost is going to be that big old Cat 308 right there. That's a 20,000 pound machine we needed to get in order to do this. And that is actually the main reason why we got the Cat 308, because it is the smallest machine that can handle that bag.